If you want to record your slow motion videos on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all, open up your camera. Now, let's switch up to more. And here, we can find our slow motion option. Here it is. Simply tap on it. And now we can adjust it. So we can turn on and off the flash. We can choose an FPS and size. We can also choose, so you see with the FPS it changes the speed of our slow motion, just like this. You can choose a zoom, so which means we can choose a lens, and let's try to record it. So simply tap on the record icon. All right, to stop it, press on the stop icon. Now, if you want to find a slow motion video, open up your gallery. And now we can see it in slow-mo. Also, if we're gonna touch and hold it, we can play it into our slow-mo clip. We can save it, and basically that's it. That's how it works. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.